Alright, I want to show everybody something about Deutz engines here, okay? Now this is on a Skyjack. Deutz engine, obviously. Now, a lot of people have no crank, no start, right? So let's come over here. We'll turn the key on. And we got no crank. See? Will not start, right? I want to come show y'all how to diagnose this very easily. I get a lot of questions about this. So right here you have a fuel pump. Right here you have a fuel pressure sensor. Now let me show you something else. One way to diagnose it: unplug the fuel pressure sensor. Now let's come over here. So now it defaults to thinking it has fuel pressure. So then you come over here and you'll get a crank. You have a crank but no start. I'm going to show you why. Because right now I actually have the fuel pump disconnected. See? Fuel pump disconnected. Now, the reason I did that was to show y'all how to get it to crank. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to start, but it's a way to diagnose this sensor. Because on Deutz engines, you have to have fuel pressure for a crank. That doesn't necessarily have to start, but you have to have fuel pressure. When you unplug that sensor, it defaults to thinking there is pressure. So just a little heads up on trying to figure out a crank situation with these machines, or any Deutz engine. Doesn't matter the machine. Deutz ECUs require that. So then we go back over here and we will cranks up just fine.